Hello, my name is Jonas Wikner. Today we will show you the brand new products that we developed at Haglöf that we believe will be revolutionary for forest fieldwork all over the world. This brand new product is our Digitech Professional 2. It's the new generation of computer caliper, and it really has the features that has been requested from many of our professional users. As you can see, it has the foldable jaws from the Digitech Professional, and this is a really good thing, because then when you have to store the caliper in a car. Also, the scale is the same proven measuring system from the Digitech Professional. When you hold the caliper in your hand, you will really feel that this is a natural way for your hand to hold the caliper. We have especially focused a lot on the ergonomics, and as you can see, the handle is specially designed for a good feel and a natural way of holding the caliper. And so it's well balanced when measuring. It is a very lightweight caliper, and as you can see, the computer part is on the movable grip, so this makes it very easy to measure when it's narrow, and when you have, for example, logs very close to each other, it will be easy to measure and cross scale with this Digitech Professional 2 caliper. It's easy to just snap off the computer part, and you can carry it on your wrist. It's more like the feel of a manual caliper. It's very lightweight, of course. It's since you've taken away the computer part, it will be extremely light. Also, you could work sending the diameters to the computer part. You have the screen on your arm. You could measure just flipping the caliper around, measuring this way, and now you can measure with your left hand instead of your right hand, still seeing the display since you're not having it on the caliper. Since we now have removed the computer part and I have it on my arm, it will be much easier to reach, for example, if you have a very dense spruce forest or if you have a lot of branches. It's important that our users of our older previous caliper, Digitech Professional, can use all the accessories that has been developed from before. For example, this is the Digitech tape. Will be very good to use, and now even you will have the tape running in the center part of the log because it's on the movable handle. The keyboard is also an accessory that we have when you should enter a lot of data. So we have developed a brand new product that we call DP DME, and it has no actual power itself. It consumes the power from the computer caliper, and it will fit the new Digitech Professional 2, and it will fit the previous Digitech Professional. Mounting it's very easy. It's just like this. We have had a request for several years from our professional users that measuring the distance in a plot is very important to do, and it's something that we do with ultrasound. If we could have it on the caliper, it would really be great. Our Digitech Professional also, of course, has a possibility to communicate with the new devices such as the DP DME. You just attach it to the caliper, and then you would need of course some small changes in the existing software. So for example, the user will recognize the buttons. You have the enter button, you have escape. This is communication with the our external devices such as the vertex laser. You can send diameters and you can send heights from the vertex and vertex laser. You have the backlight display light. If you push these two buttons together exactly like previous model. Taking away the computer part is very easy, and then you have a fully programmable computer as well. So for other types of inventories or when you don't need a scale. Yes, it's definitely possible to communicate with external devices such as the field computer or even with cell phones. Communication with external devices is very easy, since you have a standard USB, and this is a adapter, comes with a caliper, and then you have a mini USB port one end, and then standard USB on the PC side. So this is the inventory files that we did now. So this way it's possible to use all the accessories like the DP DME or the DP keyboard or the measuring tape, and use the marking system that we have for the previous models as well, the marktags. The DP2 is a really huge step forward compared to previous models of the computer calipers. We have taken the advantages from the previous Digitech Professional, such as the foldable jaws, the measuring system, adding on the customer feedback that we have got over time into one masterpiece, the DP2.